Do you want to add collaboration in Instagram Reels? You can collaborate on Instagram Reel videos with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add collaboration in Instagram Reels. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Adding collaboration in Instagram Reels is inviting someone to contribute to your Reel video. This feature allows you to collaborate with friends, to create more engaging content and enhances creativity. To add collaboration in Instagram Reels, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select Reel to create a new Reel or select an existing Reel from your gallery. Record or upload the video or photo content for your Reel. You can add music, effects, text, and other elements as needed. Once you're done editing your Reel, proceed to the screen where you can add captions and other details. Tap on the Tag People option, which is located below the Captions section on the screen. In the tagging screen, you'll see an option to invite collaborators. Just tap on it. Now, use the search bar to find and select the Instagram accounts of the users you want to collaborate with. You can search for their username. Tap on the accounts you want to invite as collaborators. You can add multiple collaborators to your Reel video. Once you've selected the collaborators, tap on the Done button or icon to send invitations to collaborate on your Reel. You can now tap on the Share button to publish the Reel with all collaborators. The invited collaborators will receive notifications and can choose to accept or decline the collaboration request. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.